But remember, this magic lasts only until midnight. At the stroke of midnight, the spell will be broken, and everything will be as it was before." "I will remember," said Cinderella. "It is more than I ever dreamed of." Then into the magic coach she stepped, and whirled away into the ball. And such a ball! The king's palace was ablaze with lights, there was music and laughter, and every lady in the land was dressed in her beautiful best. But Cinderella was the loveliest of them all. The prince never left her side. They danced in every dance, they had supper side by side, and they happily smiled into each other's eyes. But all at once the clock began to strike midnight. Bong! Bong! "Oh," cried Cinderella, "I almost forgot!" And without a word she ran away, out of the ballroom, down the palace stairs. She lost one glass slipper, but she could not stop. Into her magic coach she stepped, and away it rolled. But as the clock stopped striking, the coach disappeared, and no one knew where she had gone.